Today we are in search of an elusive character, the lesser spotted courgette, often found sleeping somewhere near the tomatoes. I think we might actually have one there. Yes, let's see if we can capture it. Let's see if we can capture this elusive lesser spotted. Got him! Got him! Got him! Got him! Get him! Get back up! Oh. Wow! Slippery blighters! So we're going to make some courgette burgers, fritters, whatever you want to call it. They're going to be absolutely awesome. So we've got our courgettes, and we have our honey hons as well. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to mash these up. Well, grate them. To be dead honest with you, I'm going to grate them. And like I said, out of the garden we've got the courgettes, so we've just been managed to find these courgettes, so I've washed them. And I'm going to put the courgettes in. Pepper. I've also got some of these, or some of this, which is bacon bits, which I chopped and fried. Okay, so we have a tray. We have a silicone mat on it, and I'm going to put these and stuff them down into the mat. And because you've got the feta and everything else, you won't need an egg to bind it, because you've got the potato there as well. So there are. These are broccoli, courgette, potato, onion, whatever you want to call them, fritters. I don't know. We're going to put these in the air fryer, see what they turn out like. They should turn out great. Or you can fry them. Once you fry them, you can freeze them, and they're going to taste wonderful. They really are.